Neil here from Kelvin Valley Properties. The cold weather is fast approaching, so now is the ideal time for landlords to start winterproofing their properties. Is your heating system ready for winter? With Saltire's Level 2 care plan, you get 24/7 call-outs and an annual service for just £16.49 per month. Make sure your heating system is in top condition with our trusted service partner. If you'd like to discuss how we can help protect your property, please contact us today on 0800 133 775 or email lettings@kvps.co.uk.